How to activate your DasherDirect card. If you want to activate your DasherDirect card, it's very simple. First, you go ahead and launch the Dasher application on your device. Then you tap on the Let's Dash button and then you log into your account by entering your phone number or maybe your email and password. Then when you've done that, you just tap the login button. Now navigate to the Manage Cards section and there you'll find the card that you've applied for, and if you received it and would like to activate it, tap on Activate Your Card option over there. You can also manually enter the last 4 digits and expiration date or scan the QR code on the card's instructions. You can create a PIN for your card and remember to keep it secure. This way you can activate your DasherDirect card. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.